Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this customizable t-shirt. This is the cutest because I got to design it. It actually has a front and a back design that I put on there. So this is fantastic. The coloring is great. It's not like stuck on there to where, it's gonna go through the wash and be able to hold up just fine. Now this is a size large and I am 5'11" and it fits nice. It is 100% cotton, so I expect it to shrink a little bit. So I got a little bit bigger size, but of course you can get whatever you feel like is a fit. But the coloring on the back is really nice and vibrant. I mean, like I said, it looks like it's gonna fit really well. It's a nice cotton. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, but it feels fantastic. I love how it's all customizable and you can put whatever you want to on it. It's got a nice length of sleeve. You can easily throw this thing in the washing machine, dry it. You can use this whether you're using for a sports team, work event, anything. This is a cute little t-shirt that you can customize and wear it for any event you want.